All right, so everybody in my house wanted a fire pit. Gotta have a fire pit, gotta have a fire pit. There's nothing to do in the backyard, let's make a fire pit. So I made a fire pit. So I'll show you what I did. It came out pretty good, and I'll describe to you how I set this thing up. You can see all the gravel in back of me. You can see all the gravel in back of me. I got a bunch of river rock for this thing, and check this out. So I tried to do this as low budget as possible. So one of my relatives had the bricks, so I surrounded the ring in 9x6 bricks. They're 9 inches long by 6 inches wide, and the circumference of this fire pit is 22 feet around. So I wanted to make sure I had enough room to be able to pull the chairs back if we had, a decent fire going in here. And I got some river rock at a local stone yard, and they had that delivered. That was probably about $350 for the river rock. I went like 2 inches deep with it. And then this ring right here, it's a 30-inch ring that I bought at Lowe's, a fire ring. And I got the stone here at Lowe's too. And I think the brick under it might have come from Lowe's as well. One of my relatives had some extra bricks, so we put that under it in a circle. It's all under the fire pit. And then we had some extra chairs, Adirondack chairs, so we kind of put these out so everybody has a place to sit. It took me about a couple of days to build this. I probably have a total of about 6 hours into it. What I did too is I went to Home Depot and I rented a tiller. So I tilled up like all the middle of this, and then I put a weed barrier down, pulled all the weeds out of it, put a weed barrier down to help prevent weeds from coming back through. Then we laid all the river rock on top of it, and it's nice to walk on. We were gonna go with the pea gravel, but it was kind of, not that we're gonna walk barefoot on it, but if you did, the stone's a little bit larger than the pea gravel, and it should stay, put a little bit better. And I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. So if anybody watching this wants to build a fire pit like this and you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment on the video and I'll reply back to you guys. It wasn't that hard to do, it just took a little time, and it made this part of the yard look a lot better because there's nothing over here. And when you come out, you see a nice fire pit now, so there's a little bit of curb appeal there too, and it looks pretty good. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for checking us out.